Hi, so in this session we are going to see that what happens in case of private members. So we had already discussed about public and private members. So in the previous session what we had done, so we already had all public members. So let's say I make color as private or max speed as private. So how can I make max speed as private? Something like this. Now my self dot underscore max speed is this. I'm using here, I'm just calling super dot init this max speed here. I'm printing a car, I'm using self dot max speed here. Okay, self dot max speed here. So what do you think will happen? So let's quickly run it and see what is happening. If I'm trying to print car, I am using max speed. I think this will give error because we are not able, that car object has no attribute max speed. Why? Because this is a member outside the class. This is a member outside the class. So what does that mean? So max speed has a property which is associated with the vehicle. But as we discussed, car inherits all properties of vehicle, all functions of vehicle. So it inherits, but it does not have access to it. Why? Because it is a member of this class and it's a private member. Since it is a private member, so this member cannot be accessed outside this class. So you have to go through vehicle only. So what I am saying here is, you have a car object. Car object has number of gears as its property, is convertible as its property. It has a vehicle, something like this, through which it can access color. So I was able to access color easily. But when it did max speed as private, so this is a private member, that means this is within this class. So when I do c dot print car and here I got max speed, self dot max speed, it is there, but it is not associated with the car. It is not associated with car means you have to go through vehicle to access that. Okay, so max speed is present there, but you, for accessing it, you have to go through vehicle. So if you have to go through vehicle, how can you access this member? So this class, every function will have access to this max speed, every function. So if I have a vehicle class, color here and a max speed here, I can have a get max speed function which will access to this max speed. I can have a set max speed function which will have access to max speed. So this vehicle can have functions like getter and setters, get max speed and set max speed, through which it can access the max speed and change the max speed. So for doing that, I can just do here, I can have a getter and setter. I will do like this, there will be a function get max speed and set max speed. I can access get max speed and set max speed through this car. I don't need to have access of vehicle for that. I don't need to go to vehicle for that. So that will go there, and get max speed has access to this. So I will be easily able to access max speed. Okay. So let's quickly do that and have two functions. Those will be get max speed. It will return the max speed. That means it will return self dot max speed. I will have a set max speed function as well. It will take the argument as max speed, and here I will do that self dot underscore max speed. I will change that. This will be my new max speed. So I will have a getter and a setter. Now I am not able to access this, but I will be able to access what? Get max speed. I will be able to write self dot get max speed. So this get max speed has access to this max speed. Why? Because this is here, this is a private member, so I need to do here. This has access to this because this is within this class. Within this class, so I have access to this max speed, so I'm returning that and I'm printing here. So if I now try to run this, so D should have self like this, rest is fine. So I have access that max speed is 15, number of gears are 3, is convertible is false, and now I am easily able to access the private member. I should not use that hack, that underscore that name angling hack, but I should use this, that getters and setters, for accessing the private members. Now the clarity is there that if you want to access any private member, you can access that only by going through that class. So if you want to go to that class, you can have a getter and setter function so that you can set that variable or get that variable. Okay, these are the functions which are not private, these are public functions, so you are easily able to access them. Okay, great, thank you.